In this video, we are going to continue learning optimization in Next.js applications. Today, we are specifically interested in analysis of Webpack Bundle Analyzer. It's a powerful tool to visualize the size of our JavaScript bundle. So let's get started. I have a simple demo Next.js application that I've demonstrated in the previous video. So I'm going to analyze the bundle of this application. So for this, I'm going to open my terminal and install Next Bundle Analyzer. For that, npm I Next Bundle Analyzer. Once it's installed, we are going to open my next config and configure the Webpack. I'm going to import the configuration for bundle analysis. So with bundle analyzer from it should be import from Next Bundle Analyzer. It should be Bundle Analyzer. Now I'm going to import the middleware for the config with Bundle Analyzer. Analyzer, the option should be enabled. So in my export, I'm going to export with Bundle Analyzer with next config. So let's now try to build our application and let's see what happens. For that, npm run build. This is going to open for us 3 different views, which is basically Node.js bundle, Edge bundle, and client bundle. Let's talk about one by one. The Node.js bundle is basically a server-side bundle, which is needed to render our pages on the server. Also, it includes a JavaScript bundle for server-side rendering, API routes, and server-only libraries. The second view is called Edge bundle. If you're going to use Next.js with Edge runtime like Vercel Edge functions, this is going to be optimized version of bundle in Edge servers. For our purpose, we are not going to use Edge functions, that's why it's blank, and we are going to use only server and the client bundle. The third view is called client bundle. Client bundle is needed for JavaScript files for interactivity in browser. This includes React components, client-side libraries, and dynamic imports. On the right side of our view, we can see how much each library is going to take space within our bundle. So while on the left side of our bundle, we can see each chunks that's included within our bundle. Also, we can see 3 different buttons called Stats, Parsed, and Gzipped. Let's talk about them. Stat files are basically unoptimized files of our bundle without any tree shaking, code splitting, and minification. This is basically the amount of data and JavaScript files that's going to be input into Webpack. The parsed version of our bundle is going to be the optimized version of our JavaScript file after the optimizations applied, like tree shaking, code splitting, and minification, and so on. So this is basically the output files which the browser or server is going to consume. The third version of our bundle is called Gzipped, in other words, compressed. This is basically the version of a bundle which is going to be sent over the network to the user or a browser, so that the browser afterwards can unzip it and consume the parsed version of our bundle in order to apply the interactivity within the client. Now we have a clear vision that within our bundle, the Webpack is going to take 2 megabytes of amount of data and parse it and apply the optimization, and on the output is going to this amount of data on the browser or server. And over the network, user is going to download this amount of data. Now let's try to analyze the relationship between Next.js Bundle Report and Webpack Bundle Analyzer. So we've seen previously the report about our bundle, and it printed that it has some amount of chunks within our bundle in the shared chunks. So let's try to copy the name of our chunk and paste over there and see what within our bundle. We can see that chunk with this name file is going to be a React DOM client, which is basically the React library within our bundle. And let's see what the second file means in our bundle. The second chunk of our Next.js application is basically going to be the Next.js client-side libraries within our application. This is basically the navigation, router, dynamic imports, search params, etc. So these are the basic chunks within our application that's going to be within by default. So we have a clear understanding what chunks are included within our bundle. In the next upcoming videos, we are going to utilize one more tool that's going to help us to optimize the packages of our Next.js application. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like button and stay tuned.